During the 10+ years that I've held accounts at Schwab and Washington Mutual, only once have I ever received some personalized financial advice. And at the end of that meeting, all that I walked away with was a tip on a mutual fund and hadn't gotten any new insights into my personal finances. To serve the millions of consumers just like me who have limited access to advice and are increasingly turned off by sales pitches from their financial services companies, Boulevard R has created an online 3-step process to provide unbiased financial advice by working with certified financial planners in order to create actionable plans for $49. My name is Matt Iverson. I'm one of the founders and CEO of Boulevard R. I'm going to walk you through this process and show you how you can get your best products in front of consumers interested in looking for solutions, or provide a new service to the businesses that you work with. So the process, let's see, where's the mouse here? The process that we've developed focuses on 3 things: goals, plan, and support. And we've developed this by working with a leading behavioral economist at MIT. So users can select goals, then we get a better idea of who they are, then what they want to do in retirement, which helps us make a better calculation as far as what their needs are, and then what they're doing to prepare for retirement. And this allows us to quickly get to a financial result for the user and allows them then to drill down into multiple areas to adjust their results. So the second step of this process is the plan process. And what we've developed by working with certified financial planners is a highly actionable plan that's unique for each user that comes onto the site. And what I'm going to do is quickly walk you through this. And if you want to see this in greater detail, we've got some copies at the table. This is a plan for a typical Boulevard R user who's a Gen X professional making about $100,000 a year with about $200,000 in total savings. So as you can see on the summary page, we've got the 3 key next steps, some high-level investment advice, and then how much they should be saving. I'm going to tab forward. We then get into more details on their next steps. This has all been generated and prepared by a certified financial planner after the user answers a couple anonymous questions, and we gather some additional information. So then we get into their goals, where we are able to place links and place products that are consumer-friendly and useful to that particular user. Then a net worth assessment, an analysis, high-level investment advice on long-term and short-term investing and some model portfolios, some different simulations, and then some actionable ways that the user can actually get ahead. So what I'm going to do now is sign in to, which is the 3rd step. And what we're able to do is provide the support through a dashboard that's constantly up to date. So we automatically keep the user's plan up to date and provide them with tasks for to achieve their next steps. We also have some community features like Ask a Planner, tips, and news based on the user's goal. And one of the things that's actually quite interesting that we've developed by working with certified financial planners is this service that, by working with, that allows the user to get a personalized recommendation on a specific issue that they have. This is an example of one on what to do with an old 401k plan. And so what's interesting about this is there's actually a decision tree embedded in the video. So as a user answers a few questions, they end up with a highly personalized recommendation at the end. So I'm going to tab back to the home page. The payoff for us at Boulevard R is we're able to provide highly actionable and unbiased financial information to consumers regardless of their income or assets. The payoff for the consumer is that they get a clear path to financial security and a process that's painless and affordable. So if you're interested in finding out more, we'd love to talk with you specifically about stuff on the consumer side. If you'd like to find out how you can get your best products in front of highly qualified consumers, we'd love to talk with you as well. Thank you.